now we will talk about the features of social structure. First, group of social statuses. Group of statuses is the first essential feature of social structure. Any structure emerges from different status. So what they are saying that the main feature or the main thing about social structure is status. Okay, in a particular structure there are people belonging to different status. Existence of different status is a prerequisite for the fulfillment of the needs of a group or an institution. For any group or for any institution to survive or to live, the pre-acquisition or meaning the something that is very essential or something that is very needed is status. Aims of any groups or institution can be realized only by division of labor among different status. So what they are saying, if a particular group is there, if a particular institution is there, then for that group or institution to survive, there needs to be people, and those people need to hold different status. For example, let us say in your class, I have divided you all into different projects. Okay, let's say I tell you group A do this project, group B do this project, group C, D, E, F, whatever. Now within your group what you will do, one person ka status is what? Leader. Another person is a speaker, another person is doing art and craft, the other person will do the arrangement of things. So different status with different duties are given to people. That is something which is very important in a social structure. For example, the structure of a school sustains through different statuses of principal, teacher, student, clerk, peon, etc. So here they have said that for school to work, we need principal, we need teachers, we need students, we need clerks, we need peons. Next is group of social roles. Social role is a behavioral aspect of social status. So whatever status you have, according to your status you play a particular role, and that role is basically your behavior. Okay. For example, if I am a teacher, I have a particular status, right? So according to the status of teacher, I will behave. I am not going to behave like a student. I am not going to behave like a principal. I have to behave like a teacher. Okay. Status and role are two sides of the same coin. Okay. Status and role go hand in hand together. If you hold a particular status, you have to play a particular role. For different needs of realization of aim, role needs to be played according to status. So for achievement of particular aim, for achievement of certain goals, you need to play your role properly. You need to play your role according to your status. For example, principal is expected to manage the school, the teachers are expected to teach, the clerks are to carry administrative works, and students are expected to study. These are the roles that need to play. So what they are saying, for the school to work, for school to function, we need to make sure that the teachers, that the principal manages the school, the teachers teach, the clerk does the administrative or the office work, the peons do their work, and the students study. Social norms or rules and regulations. Okay, they have repeated the same thing again and again. Okay, social norms are essential to keep social structure active. So rules and regulations are something that is very needed for social structure to remain active. Norms or rules guide the individual and group how to perform the role according to status. So rules and regulations teach you how to behave, how to perform your role according to your status. In absence of social norm, a disorder develops and the structure and the whole mechanism gets disrupted. So let's say if there are no rules and regulations, then the functioning of the social structure will not happen, because people will not perform their role according to their status, and the whole mechanism or the whole system of structure will become disrupted. Disrupted will get disturbed. For example, one needs to have a stipulated qualification to get selected as a school teacher. Similarly, absence of norms regarding admission in school examination syllabus will make it difficult to realize the aim of the education. So what they are saying, that here they have given you an example. For a person to become a teacher, you need to hold particular degree. You need to have certain degree. Now other thing they have said, that let's say in school, let's say there are no rules, there are no regulation. If you want to give exams, give the exam. If you want to study, study. Don't want to study, don't study. If that is the case, then what will happen? The school will not function. Okay, and the whole system of the school is going to break down.